Guys, this is your program I Check. Today I will talk about another C# program that I have written, which is drawing. So it's very simple. So let me walk through it very quickly. So the basic functionality is to have the graphic. We make sure that we have mouse. And here we have mouse move. You can have mouse drag, and all those things. And what we do here, we do every time the mouse is moved, right? We make dots. We make small black dots. That's how we do the drawing. And we make sure that um, mouse down, mouse move, and that's about all. The whole form is actually a drawing pad. So the main concept is that when we move it, right, when mouse move is done, we make small circles, small dark circles. That's behind the main concept. Again, you cannot print this, but what you can do is you can do print uh, print screen, and then cut the portion you want and print it or save it. That's one way you can do. But this is just like a regular paint, so it doesn't have special features. If you go slowly, you can draw a nice whatever you're looking forward to draw. So basically, that's the main idea. So when we do mouse move, that's it. When the mouse is moving, we just make sure, right? Yep. We just make sure we draw fill ellipse. We draw 5. We draw small black dots, and that's it. And then we have mouse. First of all, you have to click first mouse down when mouse down is, and mouse up is false. And if not mouse up, then we keep having black dots that we draw, and so on. That's really how it works. Fairly simple. So thank you for watching, and until next time.